In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change region country in Kalodata. By the end, you'll know exactly how to switch the market view so your dashboards, charts, and insights reflect the country you want to analyze. First, open your browser and search for Kalodata. Typing the product name into your search bar is the quickest way to get there. When the results appear, look for the official homepage. You'll typically see the brand name clearly in the title and a secure connection indicator in your browser. This helps ensure you're landing on the legitimate site rather than a lookalike page. Next, click the official link to open Kalodata. If you use the platform frequently, it's a good idea to bookmark the homepage so you can return to it without searching every time. Once the site loads, you'll arrive at either the marketing page or your account area, depending on whether you're already signed in. Go ahead and log in. Use your usual sign-in method, and once you're authenticated, Kalodata will take you to your dashboard or the last area you visited. If you're already logged in, you'll be taken straight there. Now look toward the upper right corner of the page. You should see a flag icon, a country name, or a short country code. This is your region control. On some layouts, it might appear as a small globe icon. If your window is very narrow, it may be tucked into the top bar, but it will still be visible in that upper area. Click the region indicator to open the drop-down menu. You'll see a list of available countries. Choose the specific market you want to analyze, such as USA, UK, Indonesia, Malaysia, Thailand, Vietnam, or Philippines. As soon as you make your selection, Kalodata aligns the interface and metrics to that market. This affects things like market rankings, localized listings, and certain metrics that depend on regional data. After you pick the country, you'll usually see the flag or country name update immediately in the top right, confirming the change. In most cases, the data updates automatically across your dashboard. If you don't see the new region reflected right away, just refresh the page to load the latest statistics for the selected country. A quick manual refresh prompts the platform to fetch region-specific content and ensures every widget updates consistently. That's it. You searched for Kalodata, went to the official site, logged in, found the region control in the upper right, selected your target country, and refreshed if needed. With your region set, you can confidently explore localized insights and make decisions tailored to the market that matters to you.